There has been some crazy wicked lightning. We got some good clips of it. The boys over there at the bathroom cleaning. We've been getting some time lapse of the lightning. It's been intense. Seems to have moved a little more out there. Ooh, that was a good one. Good thing I'm still filming. Those guys out there on the boats are probably having a blast. I don't know, I'd feel like sitting duck in that fucking boat. I guess I'm a sitting duck right here in my truck too. But I'm on rubber. I'm not grounded. So I should be fine. Ooh. I have to edit all these shots down into one little video for y'all. It's kind of tiring holding the camera. There's not much to look at because it's black, so the camera don't know what to focus on. Damn. Yeah, buddy. See, I haven't seen gnarly flashes like that for seems like a couple hours. Well, maybe not a couple hours, maybe an hour. Damn. Power of nature ain't no joke. Oh man, I got it on film. But look, I'm still tripping out on that. Look at, why is that cloud so white? Yeah. Man, I am getting some killer shots. I am gonna have a dope video of lightning strikes. So dope. Every time it goes, it flashes my camera out of whack. LAX planes don't circle. Forgive me and correct me if I'm wrong, but when I've been working at this place for so long and I can't help but feel intruded on when I see people breaking the rules, even though I break the rules. Like people in these vans that campers and whatnot. I mean, I don't know, I feel like I feel like this is my backyard. Get out. I don't like it when people camp at my beaches. They're not my beaches, but I feel obligated to call them my beaches because I've been out here cleaning them and taking care of them for so long. So when other assholes come into my beaches and take advantage of the situation, it kind of irritates me, you know, especially up in North Malibu where I like to hang out a lot. I noticed that there's quite a few campers in there that know how to play the game and can duck and dodge enforcement, you know, and they're surfers and they're friends with surfers, so they get the ticket, you know, every day early in the morning from their surfer buddies that actually go and pay to go surf. And these dudes, you know, they just get the free ticket every single day to hang out, you know, and it's all good as long as they're not trashing shit. But like I said, I still can't help but feel a little trespassed on, because when I first started going out there was nobody on that beach, nobody in that parking lot except the local surfers. And then after the pandemic hit, I noticed more people were starting to hang and camp out there. And I guess I'm kind of an ass, because I would actually report it to parking. I wouldn't really rat them out per se. I guess I would. I'll admit it. I'd tell them what vehicles it was. But they had to catch them legit. It wasn't like I just said, hey, go bust them, and they'd go and write them tickets. It's not like that. They can't just go and write them tickets. Like, they have to not have the ticket displayed, you know, and they have to be a known nuisance for them to do anything, to even write tickets. They gotta like take pictures of the vehicle, the license plate, the VIN number, all this stuff to issue tickets, so that they're actually legit tickets, you know, and they're issued by the county, so it's a legit citation. But you know, we get a lot of people that come and go, and they just park overnight and they dip out early in the morning. But like I said, I can't help but feel trespassed on a bit. What really irritates me is when I go and expecting to go and park and have a nice peaceful afternoon and evening, and there's a bunch of people, you know, parked in my locale, so I can't just park in my spot and settle in. I gotta wait for them to move, and sometimes they stay, and then I can't park in my usual spot, which is petty, I understand, because it's just literally a parking lot. But the parking lot is sloped, so you have to park a certain way so you can actually sleep comfortable, because you're literally on a slope. So you need to park either head or tail up and down the hill. You don't want to park sideways on the hill for obvious reasons. You'll be rolling off your bed the whole night. So usually what I'll do is I park at the top of the lot, and I'll back in, which slopes me towards the beach, and then I lay the opposite direction. Ooh, that was good. Good thing I've been recording and talking this whole time. So I know I'm just blabberjawing on about the stupid parking situation at the beach sometimes, but I'm trying to get content with the lightning, because I didn't go riding this weekend. So I want to edit this together, and I'll do a little blabberjaw audio over it. Just sitting here in the parking lot with my phone filming the lightning, jaw flapping at the wind. People are jogging by probably thinking I'm crazy. I don't care. Life of a YouTuber. I'm getting so used to it now, I don't care. I'll walk around with the camera pointed everywhere. People will look at you funny, but nobody really says anything. Especially to me. I mean, come on. Would you? What would you do if I broke into your house? Lame. I hate those fucking TikToks. First of all, I don't have a house. So if you broke into my truck, we'd be on the street, motherfucker, and anything goes on the street. Because by the time the cops get there, I'll be long gone. Well, it seems few and far between lightning strikes now. I mean, they're there, but nothing too intriguing. I think I'm gonna wrap up this little lightning vlog and watch some more videos, and I'll probably edit this a little bit, see what I got. But yeah, so that was just my little thoughts on the parking situation. I mean, I don't really care. I don't say nothing to nobody. I just keep it cool with everybody because I'm there doing the same fucking thing. As long as ain't nobody disrespecting nothing and trashing the place, I got nothing to say. You know, I know the people that are there. They know me. We say what's up to each other, whatever. They're locals. They respect the beach. They're surfers. I've gained their trust. They've gained my trust in that sense. I'm not trying to get them tickets anymore. I leave that up to parking enforcement. If I need to give them a heads up, I just give them a heads up. And if they manage to catch them, they catch them. If not, whatever. Not trying to cost people any money. But I think the lightning show is over.